Ready?
Hello, you got Ruben the Bohemian Cowboy. Well, we're out here at Gretna out here, and got an old antique, whatever you want to call it here. It's a travel.
We call it a Hillbilly truck. It's a 1928 AA4 Hillbilly truck. It's pretty much original motor and running gear in it. One of the unique things about this is the way we started is we kicked the tire. And it starts. That's a Kickstarter. Only come on Hillbilly truck. So we got lots of other stuff. We got turn signals. We got a leg up on the world.
Quite a deal.
We got a wolf whistle. We got down puzzle. And the one you see up on top of the engine, that's the compression whistle. This one right here is called a klaxon. We got a bullhorn. If I can find it.
That's loud.
And this one we call the blowhard.
It's got a pretty good tune to it, too.
Oh, yeah. And a siren.
Quite a mobile. Got all kinds of stuff on here.
Oh, yeah.
What's this mousetrap? This mousetrap here for? What does this come from this angle? What does that mousetrap do?
There's breath here. When you breath
got water coming.
Back here I got baby rattlers in the box there. Look inside there. Them are real baby rattlers.
Yeah, look at them. They're baby rattles, all right.
This here, that's a calf weaning mask. Farmers had put it on the nose of the calf to keep it from suckling. Well, it's just like the one my mother used on me till I was 30. You know, I got a rattle in this old truck. And I can't find it. Around here in the back, I got a Hillbilly wood burner. Hillbilly wood burners all made of wood. You only light it once. It heats the whole house once.
Well, just once, yeah.
Up on top there, I got a bearskin rug and a still up front. This is my little friend Wilbur the rat down there. We got a panic button right here. You got to watch that typewriter too.
Oh yeah, that works too. Okay, we'll show you another version of it here shortly. There. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you. Bye.